In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create layered materials. The first example is using the default principled BSDF node with its roughness value decreased. This is the easiest way to create a reflective material. The second example is using glossy and translucent nodes along with the mixed shader to create a reflective material. Notice how the material is fading out as it goes further away from the center. The roughness value is being set on the glossy BSDF node. Let's take a look at the third example. This material's node setup is almost identical to the previous one, but we're using the add shader instead. The add shader will make materials much brighter than the mix shader when the emission or translucent shaders are used. Notice the difference in the material's brightness. Here is the final set of nodes I have created by using the methods introduced previously. By mixing the add shader and the mix shader, we can have a great looking layered material. The layer weight node's blend setting will control how the final material would look like. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.